אומרים על אדמת ישראל. אבינו שבשמיים.
International relations, we welcome you here to the Group of Nations.
Look.
Hello, I'm Victoria, also from International Relations, KKLJNF. Welcome to Israel.
The word Mbula means life. And to be here today, to be part of this species ceremony, to plant tree with this very special spot here, it will bring a lot of memories that we're planting trees, giving life to the environment, giving life to Mother Earth, as we all have been doing in our own parts of the world. Apart from Fiji, we are trying to address the sustainability of our marine resources, protection of our reefs and the oceans, with the main goal is to provide for our future. And to be part of this ceremony today, I'm really privileged and honored to be part of it. And it will take, I know, planting this tree will solidify Fiji's footing on its relationship with Israel. And we'll go back and we'll continue to forge these relations stronger as the tree grows, which will make us more than a nation, it will make us more friends as a family, and that we all believe in the Almighty God. Thank you.